Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, all the fellow humans. Today we are opening with Al-Fattah. Al-Fattah is the opener and the solver, the easer of all that is locked, tied and hardened. There are some matters that are close to us. There are states and problems that are tied in a knot. There are hardened things that we cannot see through or pass through. Some of these are material things, professions, jobs, gains, possessions, places, friends that are unavailable to us. There are also hearts tied in a knot with sadness, minds tied up with doubt or with questions they are unable to answer. So Allah, Al-Fattah, opens them all. There is nothing unavailable to the beloved servant of Allah, for whom Al-Fattah opens all the gates. No force can keep those doors locked, but if Allah does not open the doors of His blessings, no force can make those doors open. He has the key to the treasure of sacred secrets, that is the human heart, Allah's very own house. Stand at the gate of Allah's mercy and knock on the door of Al-Fattah. He certainly will open it sooner or later. Pray and seek things from Allah unceasingly, always. You are poor, He is rich. You are in need, He is the satisfier of needs. You are in the dark, He is the light. If Allah wills you, you will see Al-Wahhab when He opens the door. You yourself open your doors of mercy and generosity. Help those who are weaker than you are, so that you may be saved from the tyranny of those who are stronger than you are. Help the ones who have fallen, so that you too will be helped when you fall. Above all, do not hurt anyone, because that is the key which locks the doors of mercy and blessings. So who is Abdul Fattah? Abdul Fattah is the one who has raised himself through his efforts to the level of perfection, where with his wisdom and experience he can solve both his own worldly and spiritual problems and those of others. Then Allah gives him the key to the secrets of all the knowledge. He opens the knots believed to be fast, secrets which are hidden, hearts which are tight, bounties which are reversed. For people who sincerely wish to cleanse their heart from imagination, mischief, egoism, anger, and other dirt, it is recommended that after the morning prayers, Fajr prayers, to press one's right hand over the one's heart and recite Ya Fattah 70 times. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who is Al-Fattah, the opener, open your hearts with His love and with His mercy, and fill it with the compassion. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.